Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a custom resolution. Right-click your desktop and open NVIDIA control panel. Click on Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Make the scaling mode to full screen and perform scaling on display or GPU, it doesn't really matter. Click on Change Resolution. Customize, create custom resolution. Here, you can make your desired resolution in hertz. Click on Test, then Yes. Also check the box that says Enable Resolution Not Exposed by the Display. And there you go, you have made a custom resolution. Also, thank you guys for hitting 200 subscribers. Bye.